We're going to cycle through the updated menu system. We'll start with the new splash screen. As you can see, it's on sport speedometer here. Go down through settings, come up to system settings. This is kind of a big one to me here in the US because we go back and forth through Canada. From the factory, you're unable to change the speed from kilometers to miles per hour or consumption, temperature. You're stuck with the US measurements, but then you travel into a country that's using the kilometers, and it is kind of nice now to be able to do that. Let's come back up here, slide over to sport mode, screen functions. You see as the tachometer, looks like it's going to go up to 10,000 RPM here. Okay. Lap timer, so on and so forth. I really don't have a need for that. I'm just showing it as potential. My vehicle, other than colors, is the same. The primary changes that I've made that I enjoy is now you'll notice the screen's going to go, my heated grip comes on, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Previously, it only had a high and low mode, so this gives it a lot more range. I found the other setup to sometimes be either too hot or too cold, kind of no in between. So for variety conditions, particularly here in Florida where our temperatures, we might start out in the 40s and be riding in the 80s. It's nice to be able to have a greater variability there. So that's really about it. I'll make another video with the computer screen and how you do the coding. But for right now, this morning, this is what I have time for. Thanks.